Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in the video, we are going to discuss Disney Plus Error Code 9. Disney Plus Error Code 9 comes with two different error messages. In one error message, it says that you have been logged out from Disney Plus, and to use the app you will require to log in again. In the other message, it says that there is some issue with your payment method and you need to correct your payment information in order to use the app. The error can come because of many different reasons, such as there is some temporary glitch with the Disney Plus. There is some temporary issue with the device on which you are using Disney Plus. There is some issue with your payment method, and Disney Plus is unable to process the payment. But no worries. Here's how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, sign out and sign back in. It's often a temporary glitch. Make sure you're using the correct credentials. Second, check your payment method. Ensure your card has sufficient funds and is authorized for transactions. Next, relaunch Disney Plus. If you're using the app, close it and reopen after 15 seconds. For browsers, close both the browser and Disney Plus before reopening. Still having issues? Try changing your Disney Plus password. Many users found this effective. Then, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can trigger Error Code 9. Power cycle your router if needed. Finally, clear your Disney Plus cache and storage. On Android, press and hold the app, tap App Info, then Storage and Cache, and clear them one by one. If everything fails, reinstall the Disney Plus app. Log back in and see if the error disappears. Still stuck? Contact Disney Plus support for personalized help. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.